I waited a long time before I actually bought one of these things, but it's a cord reel that I really love using. It's a Craftsman. I kind of thought I'd splurge and get something other than just a Harbor Freight one. But what I found out when I went to use it last time is it won't catch. I mean, I probably only pulled it down 50 times in its life, and it won't work at all. So I've been pulling it down and just standing on the thing, and just I'm getting kind of frustrated. So I think we're going to take it apart and see if we can get that thing fixed. That don't look good. Okay, so there's the piece that came out of the cord reel. And I looked online, and of course you can't buy these, or at least I couldn't find it. And this material is kind of brittle, so I thought maybe what I'd try is I got this piece of PVC pipe or vinyl pipe that I had, and I was thinking it's about the right thickness, and it's kind of a softer material. It's obviously pretty hard, but it's certainly not brittle like this stuff. And I suppose this would be the perfect thing for a 3D printer to do, but I think I'm going to try to cut a piece out of here, and hopefully I can try to make this. I think obviously it's going to be pretty hard to do, to get those gear teeth right and to cut a hole like that, but I think I'm going to give it a shot. All right, well, I managed to rough out a hole with a combination of these two files, a flat and a round one, and then I'm going to start working on the gears. And I thought maybe the easiest way to try to do that would be just to use some spray paint. See how that works. That'll give me a rough idea. Well, I kind of roughed it out on the, roughed it out on the bench grinder, and then went back and had been using this in the vise to try to just kind of clean up the teeth. It's pretty ugly. I'll keep working on it, but I don't know. I mean, it doesn't have to be pretty to work, I guess, but we'll see. It's crude as anything, but I'm going to seal this up and see if this is going to work. If that little pawl there will engage those teeth. Again, here's the one it replaced. So it's nowhere near the same, but we'll see if it works. Well, I got the reel back up there, and what do you know? It works. Thanks for watching my video.